Well, what's up, guys? And you here? As you can see, I'm on trade right now, right? XTI USD trade. And show me. I'm just checking my audio settings. Yeah, I think now everything is okay, so we can start now. As you guys can see, I'm on this trade. I actually took this trade since on London session. I did I think a good thing. I ended up putting my trading view on the center of the MT4 chart too, so I can do like something like this and explain to you guys why I took the trade, right? But this is for, you know, I don't know if I will try to explain this trade now for you guys, or I will hold it and try to explain later on one specific video about it. Because as you guys can, if you are on my Telegram channel, of course, if you are there, you probably already noticed that yesterday too. Not yesterday actually, I think since past week, but I posted it actually yesterday. I took a trade in Euro yesterday. I was holding it till the week on the weekend. Let me show to you guys here. Uh, let me show to you guys. For some reason here I had some problem on my trading on my streaming app. For some reason, something just, something did like a glitch or a bug. I don't know how to say it. Uh, yeah, I think now you guys are looking to my trading view, and if I change here for Euro USD, you guys can see that this is the trade that I took on Euro USD. I have the print screen, everything. I have everything is on my Telegram channel. Probably you guys already saw it. But yeah, this one is another trade um, on oil, right? XTI. This one was a trade I took on Euro USD. I didn't close everything. This trade actually over 3,000 ended up being a break even. Was left, I left it running, and today, as you guys can see here, today New York session didn't, gave forgiveness to anyone. And unfortunately, it ended up being some lot that was left behind. I think I have 100% have it here. Let me just search a little bit and I can show to you guys, right? It's on my Telegram channel anyways. If you guys have any interest to see, it's on my Telegram channel, right? Let me show to you guys. Of course, now I need to do something like this and something like this. And yeah, as you guys can see here, this is the Euro USD trade, right? M15, M1 actually. I have a print screen of M15 or M30, I think. Yeah, this is M30, 30 minutes time frame, right? Yeah, 30 minutes time frame, as you guys can see here, right? The trade was exactly here. This is a print screen. The analysis, everything is um on my channel. If you guys have interest, on my Telegram channel, if you guys have interest in what actually happened and why I ended up taking the trade, the analysis there, and you guys can check it very fast, right? Easy. I think my computer, probably not my computer, probably the stream app is having some problem. I think it's because I put the trading view chart, you know, above the MetaTrader, so something strange is happening here, but I don't know what actually. I can't say this is happening, because I don't know what. I will hide the trading view, so I think it will be better this way. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not planning to talk too much on this live stream. To be fair, I don't have any plan to talk too much. My plan was actually just left this live stream running and go out to do some other things. Yeah, well, that's it. It's a beautiful trade. It's still running now. Nothing too big. The good part of trading commodities, at least on my broker. By the way, link on description if you want to create your account on the broker I use to trade. The good part is when you're trading commodities, but not gold. Gold actually, I see gold as a commodity too, but I can say it's a one unpopular opinion. So yeah. So when you're trading commodity, they don't charge any commission, and even indices. If I'm trading like US 30, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, I don't know, I don't remember now Bitcoin, but Nasdaq, US 30, gold, not gold, sorry, XTI, right, crude oil, they don't charge even a cent in commission. So yeah, that's very good. The maker, do you have any video doing a live entry? Yeah, I have live stream actually doing live entry, but this is a long time ago. I just stopped to do entry live because I was fear of legal how can I say that in English, legal problems basically, because first, Europe isn't like South America or any other part of the world. If you are in Europe or in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, well, United Kingdom is Europe, right? You can have serious problem if you are doing live entries. So if I come back and do live entry, I will need to actually start to put a huge delay on my live stream. That's one thing. or I can do my entries. I didn't took this entry now. This entry was took since 6 o'clock, 6 7 o'clock. So between Asia and London session, Frankfurt session to be fair, to be more specific, that's when I took the entry, and it was running. I already posted on my Instagram, and just came to my head. Okay, let me do a live stream here on my YouTube channel. Since I don't even send on my Telegram, nothing. I just started this live stream like nothing. I didn't even send an alert to my followers. Actually, let me do that. But basically, I don't do entry lives anymore because I can have serious problems, legal problems, right? So, at the Newton, you missed my Portuguese videos, right? What can I do about it? Nothing. Nothing anymore, right? Just gone. For any reason, I can't. Well, well, well. Hum, Se você quer ver vídeos em português, eu aconselho que você pesquise o ZM Trading. Eu vou pôr o link aqui o link do canal dele aqui no chat. É o mano meu que grava em português, se quiser ver depois. But let's just continue. I don't want to talk too much in this live stream. I just want to sit here and enjoy this live stream. No worries. You're welcome. I'm working with the possibility that the price can actually sweep this low right here, or at least tap on this lead zone exactly here between these 2 weeks. Let me zoom in. So between these 2 weeks, we have a liquidity and inducement theorem zone inside here, and I'm working with the possibility that price can tap this zone, and it's exactly where I will, as you guys could see here. Actually, this is on the Euro USD trade. Yes, still there. Let me change it to the oil. So yeah, I'm working with this possibility. As you guys can see, where my take profit is, it's exactly at this level here on this liquidity and inducement theorem zone. So here is where I'm expecting to get out of this trade. So actually, let me copy this price and tap it. Price, take profit. So I was I can modify it. Where should I go to modify this shit? It's here. So, and modify. So my take profits at 6,000 and something. It should actually be a little bit lower. Exactly here. So 6,495. Exactly here is where I'm expecting to get out of this trade. Let me turn the trading view off again so you guys can see the screen full, right? Change the camera angle a little bit. Yeah. Salve. Well, we are back at 4,000, baby. Sabe o que eu vou fazer? Um dia eu vou gravar em português de novo. Se aquele vídeo for bom, se der bom aquele vídeo, eu volto a gravar em português. Caso contrário, esquece. Um dia. 4,005, 4,020, 4,005 again, 300, 3,090, 3, 4. Just another Tuesday on a trader life. It start to become boring actually. I remember past week I took like three stop loss and then I took the trade on Euro USD that I showed to you guys in the beginning of this live stream. We are all, oh, half an hour already on this live stream. So when I take some stop loss, it actually become exciting now because I'm like, okay, yeah, I have a challenge right now because the market is a little bit, you know, it's become a challenge. So Aditya, I did, I don't know how to pronounce your name, bro. Next week, USD, which condition market APA Dove? So probably we will have a lot of news this week, right? So I'm not expecting too much things. I will probably just wait for the let me check the calendar here, the investor calendar. Let me actually check it on my wait, let me check with you guys live. Now you guys can see my trading view. Let me turn it bigger. Let me make it bigger like this so we can go and check together, right? So you have economic calendar, but mine is in Portuguese. So yeah, we have a lot of news. We have unemployment rate. We have GBP, but GBP I don't care too much about GBP actually. But today we will have news today at, oh no, we already had it at 5 7. So tomorrow we have a lot of news too. So a lot of things can actually happen. A lot of things can happen. A lot of things can happen. Look this. It's payroll, right? Payroll. I don't know how to say it. I don't know actually if it's payroll because it's unemployment too. Yeah, we have payroll, non-farming payroll actually, right? Yeah, non-farming payroll on 10th March. So we have a lot of news that can affect Euro USD. If you want, if I have to give you any tip, I would say trade. Yeah, non-farm and unemployment. Yeah, you're right. I would say to you trade after, after the news. Just wait news happens and try to find something interesting. Of course, if you find something interesting before news, but way before, like 5 hours before the news, you already saw a good setup that you can trade on it. But at any time you can, when the news hit the market, you probably will have a liquidity sweep. Market will start to search for liquidity and probably will take you out at break even. So me personally, I like when we have high impacting news on the market, I like to trade after the news. But if you find something before, but way before, like I told you, like 5 hours before, you can take it too. If I have to, let me check the Euro USD chart on my phone because I don't want to open the trading view anymore on my computer to show to you guys because for some reason this shit is lagging and probably it has some bug and it can stop everything. So let him in peace. So I'm checking right now the Euro USD chart on my phone on daily time frame, on the daily time frame, right? I'm checking it right now. So we are having a huge daily candle of today is very bearish, very very bearish. But price can find, yeah, I will expect at least the low of the this low right here to get swept. how can I show to you this low? Let me see if I can show to you. Wait. So here, came back to here and close this. Let me see if this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So here we are on oil. So now we are on USD. This is the trade I took over 3,000. Got break even. I already said to you guys at the beginning of this live stream. I just took some profit. So let me to and hide every analysis. So I would expect this low to get swept, and probably price can react at something on this order block or demand level, whatever you want to call it. That's what I would expect. And if price ended up sweeping, grabbing the liquidity and going even lower, lower than this, you can have a beautiful trade on 1 minute time frame, grabbing some setup here and holding it. But it's overall bearish 100%, because right now price reacted very 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 strong to this 400-day moving average, and that's bad. Price just tap on it and then made this huge move to the downside, and it's in my point of view, it's definitely bearish, probably going down to fill some weekly imbalance, maybe something like maybe this imbalance right here, maybe this imbalance right here, or even, but this is the overall what I'm expecting on the big time frame. On low time frame, everything can happen, as always, right? But daily time frame, I would expect this point of interest to see if something can happen here. You guys can see that, yeah, even on the yeah, that's probably what will happen, because weekly time frame is very bearish, daily time frame is bullish now. But after we have this change of character here, wait, not change of character, actually this shift on market structure that happened here. After this shift on market structure on the weekly time frame, price never came back to actually fill the gap. That's we made this shift on market structure. Price needed to do what? This move to the downside, to the upside, and then retrace, fill all the buy orders, stop loss, grab stop loss of everyone that's still holding the trade, fill more orders, and then go up. Maybe it's some level here, or even go even higher. But it didn't happen yet. So weekly time frame, I'm expecting a huge retracement. But on the daily time frame, I can say 100% to you that I would expect something on this point of interest exactly here. This point of interest here is what I can see like a point of interest that can actually hold the price for some reason. This is the weekly time frame gap that if you adjust it to the daily, it will be something like this, but doesn't matter. Some other thing that actually grabbed my attention now is this high demand level here. This demand level too can be very important, by the way, but I won't go too deep on it. I think I need to record a video talking specifically about this. So yeah, that's it. That's my point of view on Euro USD. I think 100% this low we got swept at some, probably even today. But why I was buying, I was expecting at least price to tap on this zone here, right? Since past week I grabbed the trade, I was expecting price to tap on this zone exactly here, but it ended up not tapping on it, just retraced very hard today. So I was expecting something like this. Price ended up stopping here. Later today I will record a video about this, so if you guys pay some attention on my YouTube channel, you guys will find it here 100%, and even a breakdown of this XTI trade too that's still running right now. Should be actually a little bit high, right? Yeah, let me put the 1 hour time frame so you guys can see it better, way more better, right? Let me check here on my phone. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm expecting to the Euro USD. And by the way, we have some good opportunities to, something very similar to happened on US 30. Look what happened. Price just stopped on a 400 period moving average, and look this usual retracement. Overall, everything is bullish. It's bearish. Sorry. My water finished, so I can't talk too much now. US Tech, yeah, US Tech is a little bit different. By the way, oil. I'm expecting oil to at some level hit $100 again. That I'm actually expecting. At least 90. But the most optimistic my most optimistic view is $100. But at least, wait, let me check something here on my phone. Yeah, but at least 90. But my most optimistic view is 100 again. I was analyzing oil yesterday at night, to be fair with you guys. Yeah, that's the level, this level right here. I'm expecting price to hit at least this level here again. So that's why I'm telling you guys that I'm expecting price to hit at least $90. But overall, I'm bearish on oil. Overall, I don't think so. I don't think oil is going to. Oil will stabilize on this price, but we can have. Of course, we are on weekly time frame, so this thing can. For this thing happen, it can take the entire year. Maybe it will just happen in 2024. So, but I can give you guys some my view on lower time frame. I actually already gave you guys, right? On the beginning of this live stream, I told you guys that why my take profit is at this level. I already told you guys why, because I think this level here is very good, and we have all these internal range liquidity here that need to be grabbed before price actually make a move to the downside, a move to the upside. So exactly here, I want to go out of my trade, and it's exactly where my take profit is. As you guys can see here, right? Look where my take profit is, exactly here. So it's not a coincidence. That's my point of view on it. Let me turn off this trading view again, because it's lagging my computer for some reason. I don't know if it's my GPU, it's not handle it, but yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I was trying to you know to share this on my trading on my Instagram, but for some reason I can't. I don't know what. Fuck YouTube. How to back test, brother? You will have any idea? Suggest. Well, back test. There is a software that can help you backtest. I forgot the name right now. I forgot. But I have a lesson on my course that actually it's a lesson of one of my brothers that did something like this, and but unfortunately I can't remember right now. Right? Sorry, I can't remember the name. If I remember, I will record a video showing to you guys how to backtest properly. But if you search on YouTube, you will find it. It's a software that you can backtest executing orders on your MetaTrader. It's a very good method backtest software. Very good. It's paid, but when I was starting, I used some cracked version. So you guys, you probably can find it on the internet too if you have enough energy to search, to dig, to go deep on the internet. When I was starting, I didn't have money enough to do this shit. So If you have balls, you can dive deep and found it. Now I will shut my mouth off and just enjoy the live stream, right, guys? I will keep one eye on the chat when I can. Now I need to answer some message here. Wait, give me some minutes. Well, I just checked my stock portfolio that already made me cry. Well, things are not good today. 100% it's not. They are not. Yeah, how's we saw Nasdaq was melting. Yeah, Nasdaq was melting. US still melting. We have blood on the streets. Let me zoom in this a little bit. Yeah. I talked too much and now I need some water. My water finished and I don't want to go send up to go grab. Oh, I have some juicy here too. Just a regular everyday. Let me check my Reddit. Yeah, just actually, I didn't post it there, but even yesterday, actually, I received a certificate from my student Rowan Kale. I just call it Kale because I don't know actually how to pronounce Rowan. It's just a $1,000 certificate, payout certificate, right? It was on the day 3 of March, right? Yeah, 3 of 3 2023 from True Forex Funds. Wait, I can't see if you guys can see. And for these things, actually, I need to do like something like this. Yeah, so guys can see it better. Just a payout certificate, and I actually received too a FTMO challenge from Victor, but it is from 23 February 2023. But it seems if you are if you think you can scan the QR code, try to scan the QR code if it's possible. It's just another student, you know. Then we have Lexi, but Lexi actually trade on founded next. I never tried this prop firm, but he yeah founded next. I heard about this prop firm, but I never tried. I don't even know if I should share this because I'm not sure. But they pay him, so we can say it's a good prop firm. So let's share this with me. Can this focus? You don't have focus. So yeah, let's share it. He actually sent to me to the payment on the deal account, on his deal account. Look, right, 6,000. As you guys can see, yeah. Some of these feedbacks I share, but some of them not, because it's becoming too much already. Share all these things on. And past week actually I was way, I didn't even was too much active on my trading view. Sorry, on my Instagram. I just give it a time, just to spend a little bit time with my girlfriend. And I'm actually planning to go to Vietnam or Philippines. I don't know. I didn't make the decision yet. Oh, I should tell you guys that. Well, I'm planning, I will found some traders. If you are a trader, if you are consistent, first thing. That's the first thing. I am actually talking with this guy. It's Mohammed. Yeah, it's Mohammed. It's a very common name for people on Middle East, right? But I'm talking with this some people on my Instagram. So if you are a profitable trader and you can actually make money, right? If you are not profitable, don't even talk with me. I'm not charging you anything, a single penny, but I'm trying to give other traders opportunity to become to become founded, right? So if you're profitable, send me a message on my Instagram, right? The link is in the description of this video. Send me a link there, and I will give you a demo account with my FX book on it. I will give you one account if you beat the targets, take profit, and of course stop loss, draw down to. It's very important. If you beat this targets, I will play some rules. Of course you can't use EA, by the way. It's the first thing. So if you are a good trader, if you think you are good in trading, if you are profitable, contact me on my Instagram and I will give you one account, and I will put my MyFX book on it, give you the account details. You can log in, trade. If you are good in trading, you will be successful there, and I will pay from my pocket a trading challenge for you. And every time the money uh, if you make money there, it's your money. I don't receive a single penny. I'm just trying to do that to give people opportunity. Like Mohammed is from Iran, he can do these things, and all places over the world, like if you are in my native country, let's say in this way, in my country, where I was born, you can just take it 500 or even $1,000 from your pocket and buy a challenge, because it's too much money and the dollar is very strong, right? And I understand that. So if you're from, I don't know, South Africa, Botswana, Brazil, doesn't matter, and you think you are profitable and want to do a challenge, and just contact me there. I will give you a demo account with my date, with my MyFX book on it. And if you are profitable, you will 100% be able to make money. And if you make money, it's good for you. I'm just trying to give everybody opportunity to to change their lives. That's what I'm trying to do. And I hope you guys can you know try to to get something from this opportunity. Yeah. Well, 2 years ago, if this trade was in this situation, Donald Trump would go out and make some statement, and my take profit would be hit. He would go out and say something. Look what I just saw on my phone. Goldman Sachs marks Apple has a buy. An overview of their thoughts and forecast. Let me tell you guys something. If you want to know if a bank is buying or selling a specific asset, when they say they are buying, bro, just stay out. Just keep. If you have stocks of this company already, I'm not telling you to sell them, but I'm telling you like become neutral. Don't do anything. If you see a statement on the internet like Goldman Sachs or HSBC or doesn't matter any bank, the bank Credit Suisse are saying, okay, it's time to buy Apple. Come on. Do you really think banks are gonna tell you when it's time to buy something? They already bought already. They already bought. Before the statement go to the media, that is will spread the information for everybody, and everyone will think like, okay, now Goldman Sachs, it's time to buy, so let's buy. Don't be dumb to this level. You need to be very very dumb to believe that banks are your friend. They are not. They just want to make money. And how they will liquidate their position? With your idiot, buying this shit. Of course, I'm not saying Apple this shit, but probably they are very very. Your valuation right now is very 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 high. I actually have. Let me show you guys. Should I show you guys? I say let me show. Then should I show? I have one intrinsic value calculator here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I probably can. Let me show to you guys. This is my intrinsic value calculator based for stocks, of course, right? Planning for long-term investment. I think you guys already know I'm a long-term investor too. I have my portfolio. I'm not saying that this is the only thing I use to base my investments. Of course not. But you know, is my portfolio. How can I see if this shit is focusing? Yeah, my portfolio. I have some banks, real estate, Coca-Cola, and more banks, and United Health, Self Storage, HWBC. Yeah, it's just some of my holdings. But basically, I'm just trying to tell you guys that you know when I'm planning to invest in something. I want to calculate their intrinsic value, and for that I use this formula. It's simple formula, simple thing. I found it. I was searched for it on the internet, and I found it on the internet on YouTube. Some YouTuber, I don't remember the name right now, but I just used it to calculate intrinsic value. You know, the stock. It's you just put the name, and you have a formula that can, Google Finance can, push the stock. Wait, I just changed something here. Okay, I changed something on the formula exactly here. Wait, let me just go back. Yeah, so I have Galp here. Galp is a company here in Portugal. If I change like for Apple, it's APPL, right? That's Apple, right? No. How's the Apple? It's not APPL. Let me see the Apple ticker. No, it's AAPL. Okay. So you can see that earnings per share on Apple it's 5.85 on your last quarter, I think, right? Yeah, I think that's yeah. Price earnings 25.79. Growth rate. So how much I think Apple stocks will grow on the next, let's say, 10 years, right? I'm expecting them to grow at least $5, but I will be more, you know, I will go below and say like I'm expecting them to grow just 3%. This is for the G. I just forget. I forget what G came from, but it's basically the number never changed. It's just one every time. And average yield of a corporate bond, average, right? And today yield of a corporate bond. I don't know if it's 43 because it changes every day, right? So I don't know how much it is now, but I will just continue with that number. Yeah, yeah, and you guys can see that the intrinsic value for Apple that come from me expecting this growth for the next 10 years is 176 comma 1, right? Point 1. And the current price is 150 151.81. But when you want to buy something, you want to buy with a margin of safety. Normally it's we can expect from 35 to 50%, maybe, if you think you want to be more aggressive on the margin, but minimum 35%. I want that. Normally I work with at least 40. So acceptable buy price would be like 105 per stock. But when I'm buying stocks, I'm buying them expecting, normally when I'm buying stocks, I'm buying them expecting no growth at all. So that's why at the beginning this was in zero. So you guys can see that now intrinsic value came for what? From 170 and something to 157.7. And from this value, using this value and expecting a margin safety of 40%, I need to buy Apple stocks at 94 and 64. So for me, the valuation now is very, very high. So I don't see why. And all these guys know. They all know. They all know. Yeah, 100%. The maker say probably bought weeks ago and telling people to buy now. 100% is there. But if you are their client, if you gave them money to manage, they already bought. They are trying to just to make money from their clients, and you are on the media reading a paper and say, okay, now it's time to buy. Of course it's not. Let me just go back to my and turn this thing off. Right, let me turn this off. Some minutes ago I saw, yeah, we had a new milli value of 77.46. Should I take a partial? What do you guys think? I have 15 lots running. Should I close like 10 or 7 and let the rest run? Let me open a pool here on the chart. If you guys think I should, how can I create a pool? Ah, okay, it's there. The pool is live now. Should I take partials? Pool is live. Yes, no. You guys can vote now. So right now it's 50-50. 2 votes. So 3 no. Someone else said no. I really need some water now. And I think in like 1 hour I will go out to run a little bit. Oh baby, give me one more chance. Oh darling, I was blind to let you go. Let you go, baby. Market is bleeding. When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. This pretty face is always made you stay up on the ground. But someone picked you from the bunch. One glass was all it took. Not too much late for me to take a second look. Oh baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back in your heart? Oh darling, I was blind to let you go. Let you go, baby. Now I see you in his arms. One more day of a trader life. You know what? Let me check some news. So Biden budget will propose tax increase to bolster Medicare. Okay. Another thing, MT4 and MT5 is back up on the Apple Store. I forget to say to post this on my Instagram. Yesterday I already installed my MT5. As you guys can see here, I hope you guys can see actually. Let me check. So you guys can see here, yesterday I installed my MT5 again. I was trading on MT4, then I came back to MT5. So MT4 and 5 is back on Apple Store. So if you didn't know if this thing that is happened between two countries on Europe, Apple decided to ban all uh, of the invasion country apps on the Apple Store. But now MT4 and 5 is back at Apple Store, so you can download them again. So if you don't have them, they make it didn't know. Yeah, this I saw this yesterday. I forget to post about it on my Instagram. I totally forgot. But now they are back, and I installed my MT5 yesterday, so you can do it now. Actually, I'm take a print of this news and post on my Instagram, because probably a lot of people don't know this. A lot of people don't know. Let me post a print screen on my Instagram. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. So MT4 and 5 are back, baby. They are back. Yeah, I just posted it on my Instagram. Well, everyone say to voted to no, to don't take partial, so I won't take them. But I will keep the pool here for more 30 minutes and see. Let's see the result. Later today, I think I will record a video of MT4 and 5 are that they are back on the App Store. I should actually record them now, just make this. Hey guys, MT4 and 5 is back on the App Store. Just go and check. Simple to record, right? Nothing to. I don't need to edit anything. Let me just do some settings here, and I will record it 100%. It's nothing. So guys, if you're a trader just like me, MT4 and 5 are back on App Store, and you guys can go there now and install it. So go to your App Store on your iPhone and check for MT4 and 5 app. They are there. Install it before they ban it again, right? That's it. That's it. I will just do some quick edit on my phone and post it on my YouTube and Instagram. I don't know. Whatever. Look what happened with this. This is one of my best. I like this clothes a lot. I like this sweater. I my girlfriend told me. Oh, she always tell me that you don't know how to put clothes on the washer machine. Don't do it. But I try it. So I put it on the washing machine, and all the drawings, everything that was here, just it's not here anymore. Just gone. Fuck. That's a good tutorial to of how to lose a cloth that you like. Wash it. I should left it for her, but guess what I did? I said no. I'm a trader. I do things way more difficult than just washing clothes. So I took I do things way more difficult than washing. What's washing? It's nothing. It's just a washing machine. You put it there and turn it on, and it's done in some minutes. MT4 and 5 are back on App Store, and you guys can go there now and install it. So go to your App Store on your iPhone and check for MT4 and 5 app. They are there. Install it. I'm just doing some quick edit. I said MT4 and 5, and look what the captions, how the captions came. Captions, subtitles, whatever you want to call it. Empty. Empty 4 and 5. Empty. The strange thing is that this thing happened even on Portuguese. It's just not in English. Even I'm a native Portuguese speaker. Even when I'm talking in Portuguese, I think everyone, right, shouldn't be just my problem. Everyone should have this. Even a native English speaker, these things are they don't understand everything. again saying empty 4 and 5. Well. I should show to you guys something very, something that I have here on my office, that it's a very significant part of my story as a trader. Let me show to you guys. I will turn off the camera, and I will actually, you know go take some water too, because I need. Let me just turn off the camera. Yeah, the camera is off, but you guys can still hear me. Give me just some minutes. I will take them. I will show to you guys what I mean. So yeah, I'm back, and let me show to you guys what I was saying. Let me turn on the camera again. Yeah, I just turn off the light. There's light here too, cause the computer was running out of battery. My laptop that is here on the or yeah, doesn't matter. So what I was trying to say to you guys, that's very important to me on my history as a trader, is this. It's on this plastic. I don't even remember last time I took this out of this plastic. So this is my first, second, third certificate. I don't remember, but this is the one that I really like it. It was on my forex fund. They were very new at this time. They came out like in 1 month and already had my certificate. As you guys can see the date here, it was on 2022. I have a true forex fund certificate too, and I have a blue forex fund, but it was a scam prop firm, so I can't say too much about it. I don't even know if they're still running, but this was my one of my first certificate. This is very important for me as a trader. Let me do this and this with my screen so you guys can see it better. Yeah, this is old, have over 1 year already, right? Because it was on January 9 2022 when I received it. This was very important to me on my journey as a trader. It was like it was a 10K account, a 10K account. Can you believe it? Ah, bro, long time. If for you guys that don't know, I actually started to become profitable at the end of 2019. End of 2019. No, sorry. End of 2019 or 20. Seriously, I don't remember anymore. But it was between 19 and 20. End of each, some of them. Then at that time, I didn't even know that we had prop films. I didn't know because prop film just started to become a thing 3 years from 3 years ago. They start to become actually a thing. Then I heard about FTMO, but they didn't have money. FTMO always had a huge high fees, to become their trader. And that time it was even higher. Today is very low because they now are facing competition, so they start to feel, they will lose market share. That's why they start to decrease their fees. So I start to make some money. I already told you guys, I already said this story a lot of times. My first account was $3,000 and I blow it. It was probably 2017 or 15, probably 15, 16, something like this. It was my first account and I blow it. Look, while I'm talking, the price is going down very fast, right? Do you guys think we will be able to see the take profit being hit during this live stream? It will be a great thing, a great feeling, right? So yeah, that's one of my first certificate. Unfortunately, I don't have my first certificate anymore. I don't have it. I lost it some because I was in another house and then I changed it to this house where I'm right now. So some things I just don't. So probably it's on trash already, burned in some place. And but this one was one of my first certificates ever on my forex funds, right? That one, and it's mine. It's my name. You guys can see, just to see how old this thing is. Just see how they write the name at the time. Look the font they was using to write the names of the people that complete the challenge. Proudly presented to Edney, right? Look, if you go to their Discord right now, they are using another font. They are not using this type of font to write the name of the people that complete the challenge anymore. They are using another font. Why? I don't know too, but just to have idea on idea or how old the thing is. And it's very important to me. It was a mark on my when I started to see prop firm. With prop firms, I was without prop firms, I was growing like this. every month something more, every month something more on my account. With profile, the growth was like exponential. It's like very fast. They are a very good tool to people that are actually profitable and know how to trade. Let me put it here again. Put it here again. Very, very safe here on the case. Wait. Yeah, one of my first certificates. And then adjust this to the corner. Long time ago. I still have this account, I still have the account, that this 10K account. I still have it here on my MetaTrader, but I don't trade it. I don't trade on it anymore. I don't trade it. I have there 10K and something, but I don't trade them. I don't trade it anymore because I'm not. I just don't want to trade a 10K account. But I still have it. Let me show to you guys. Look here. I don't know if they actually changed their server too, but if you guys are able to see here, let's the thing focus. Yeah, my forex funds evaluation founded live Edney Pinheiro Traders Global Group Incorporated to, yeah, 2099. It's the account number. Yeah, this thing don't want to focus for some reason. So the server, the broker they was using at the time was Traders Global Group Live LEDDC. I don't know if they still using this server anymore. But this certificate here belong to this account. That was my first account. This certificate here belong to this account. The first account, my on my forex fund, right? A long time ago, long time ago, long time ago. I don't even trade this account anymore. Just have the trade that is running now on the account you are seeing on the MetaTrader. So yeah, from there, the rest is history. I did everything from there. Let me post the video that I just recorded with you guys here live. I was planning to do a very short live stream. We are all almost 2 hours of live stream, and I'm enjoying being here. I'm actually enjoying being here with you guys. We have 10 people watching now, and I'm really, really, really enjoying being here. Let's do 3 hours of live stream today. What should be the title to my video about the MetaTrader being, available again on the App Store? What should be the title for this video? I don't know. MetaTrader is back. I think it's too easy. Let's say everyone that will record a video for Instagram or any other social media, uh, including YouTube, saying about the availability of MetaTrader on Apple Store again, they will probably use this title, right? MetaTrader is back on Apple. I don't want to use this. I want to put something different. Nothing crazy, but something different. And I don't know what. Um, Traders win. MetaTrader is back. I don't know. Maybe this. Traders won, right? Traders won. If you guys have any idea, any video you guys think is any title you guys think is better, send me. And if I think it's better, we'll use it 100%. MetaTrader is back. MetaTrader available. Unbanned. I don't know how to MetaTrader is back. Traders won. MetaTrader is MetaTrader back on Apple Store. That's the title I will use. Traders won, MetaTrader is back on Apple Store. That's the title. Guys, please drop your likes on the live stream, right? It's very important to me, and share it with your trading friend. If you have any trading friend, someone that like to trade, want to learn how to trade. So yeah, if you want to share with someone, please share it and subscribe to the channel too. It's very important. So this is the title I will use. Traders on, MetaTrader is back. What? I wasn't. Traders won, MetaTrader is back on Apple Store. You guys wasn't seeing, right? But doesn't matter anymore. So yeah. Just the two of us. So yeah, MetaTrader is back on Apple Store. Let me actually go on the article I showed to you guys and try to see what they say there. You know, if it's to see if is there anything interesting. just share the video on my Instagram. If you guys can, please just go there and drop some comments or even a like. Right guys, I just shared the video on my Instagram. It's here. As you guys can see, this is my Instagram. Wait, again. Yeah, it's my Instagram here. Yeah, and I just shared the be very careful because I have a lot of fake accounts now. A lot of fake accounts on Instagram. I reported them, but Instagram didn't did anything. They just said okay, fuck you, basically. So if you guys can, please just go, the video is here. Wait, is this video right here? So guys, if you're a trader like me, MetaTrader and 5 are back on App Store, and you guys can go there and install it. So go to App Store on your iPhone and check MT4 and 5 app. They are there installed before they ban it again. Well, that's it. So if possible, just go there, drop a like, a comment. It's very helpful to me, and I will be thankful for all the eternity. Right? Yeah. Let's continue our live stream. Something I have some bug on this. Something I don't know. Some bug is happening on this. 100%. 100%. I'm having some bug. I don't know what's happening here. For some reason, things just they just freeze and then they start to move again. Well, technology. That's it. Things freeze. Things become. We started this live stream. It was on 3,500 and something. Then it started to touch 4,000, and now we are over for almost 5. And my take profit is at 6 and something, right? 6,495. This class didn't wear this a lot of time ago. This is nostalgic to me. I have to say, it's very nostalgic, 100%. I could stay here hours and hours watching to this, and leaving back the emotion I feel it when I got it. The happiness. I call it to my mom. I remember at that time. I call it to my mom. I call it to my uncle. I had one friend at the time that was trying to. Unfortunately, he fails, but then he managed to get his. He's good today, just to say. But I remember at that time where, bro, things was tough, and when I got this certificate, it was like my my passport to freedom. It was like, wow, I got it. I got it. It was on a gold trade. I remember the trade till today. It was on one gold trade that I was able to go there and smash the profit target. What a day. Did we have any game today? If we have any game today, we close the live stream, bro. In Premier League or Champions League game, let me check it. It's football games, by the way, not soccer. It's football. So yeah, we have Chelsea in Dortmund today at 8 p.m. UK time. So yeah, and I don't know if we have anything on Premier League too. Let me check, but probably not, right? If you have Champions, we probably don't have. It's today or tomorrow? Wait, 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 wait. Yeah, it's today. Today, Chelsea and Dortmund. You know, you guys are here with me, 6 people current on this live stream. We already had bad days, right? Look, but yeah, on the beginning of this live stream, you know what I said? For you guys that came now, I say something very interesting. If you are a profitable trader and you just don't had the chance yet to prove yourself, go to a, or you don't have enough money to pay for a prop firm, and you are a profitable trader, again, let me say that you need to be a profitable trader. Contact me on my Instagram, link is on the description of this video, right? Contact me there and I will give you a challenge. I will send you, you have two challenges, right? Two phases of the challenge, like a prop firm, right? And I will give you the opportunity. I will give you one account with my two accounts actually. First, you need to hit the profit and stop loss, and you need to hit the profit target and avoid stop loss and drawdown targets. And if you did it right, you go to the second step, and in the second step, same thing. And if you complete all of this, I will pay from my pocket to you a challenge on one prop firm. Maybe my forex funds, true forex funds, FTMO, probably my forex funds, right? Because if I do an FTMO, it's a good prop firm too, 100%. But I won't be able to do to as many, like with $100 I can do for 2 people on my forex fund, but I can't do for anyone on FTMO, you know. So to have more people becoming founded and trying to help more people to, you know, become financial free, or make some extra money, my forex fund or true forex fund is the best one. So if you guys think if you think you are a profitable trader, right, message me on my Instagram, link on description. The link, I think, yeah, link on description, and I will be 100% happy to help you to achieve your goals, right? So yeah. So look what just the founder trader just posted. Let me share these stats with you guys. Let's talk about these stats. The founder trader is another prop firm too, right? They are a good prop firm, nothing wrong with them. I have just good feedback about them. With them, sorry. Um, Give me a minute. I think something happened. Something important. Yeah, let me just turn the camera off and give me just 1 minute, guys. So yeah, I was saying. Okay, I'm back now. So I just you guys just gave me the perfect opportunity to turn on this light right here. This light. It's so confusing. Sorry, guys. So yeah. By the way, I'm accepting 2 tips to make this thing look more professional. I know I need to buy another webcam. This webcam is it's but this is standard. But if you know more about light and things, you know, and you know how to do these things, you know, just contact me too. So the founder trader stats, look, I follow them on Instagram. So they just let me put this on black, on dark, sorry. Yeah, now it's dark. The founder trader monthly stats, right? Follow me on Instagram, guys. You know, this is my, be aware of fake accounts. It's just on underline. Here we just have an underline on my name. Edney underline PN. Link on description. So underline. So just underline, nothing more than underline. Any underline here, that's my right. So monthly stats, as you guys can see here, of the founder trader. Just pay attention, right? In payouts, in total payouts in February was over $5 million just on February payouts. Total volume closed trade in February over 5,900,000 lots. To be more exactly, to more precise, 5,975 and 900 5,975,963 lots traded. The highest single payout for one person get this payout one 140,164. Yeah, that's a good amount of money. He made way more than me this month. I started this account on February with 200,000 and something, and I'm in 3 and something. So he made way more than me. Total number of trades in February, over 1 million trades opened, of course. The most traded pairs was US 30, gold, and GBP USD. So the other text isn't too much, important. But the most important thing is total payouts in February, over 5 million in total payouts. Why you can't be, no one needs like 5 million in 1 month to live. Of course it will be very good, right? But 10,000, I know it will be good for an average person. They pay over 5 million. Why you are not able to take just, let's say, 2,000 from this 5 million to you, put on your pocket, 2, 3, 10. One guy put here over 140,000 on his pocket. It's here. I'm not lying. It's here. Highest single payout is 140,000, and it's here. Total payouts in February, right? So if someone else can do it, why you can't? Why you can't? That's the what motivated me to chase my dreams, to chase everything that I wanted to do. I put in my head, if one trader can make 500,000 a month, why I can't just make 5? Why I can't make 6, like is my take profit here? Why I can't? What's special? What he have special than me? He's a human, I am too. He have a brain, I have too. I'm not dumb. Why? The thing is, to be on this level, it takes a lot of times, and that's exactly where a lot of people just, they just give up. But it took times. Nothing easy came like, nothing easy came this easy. If you want to study to become a lawyer, it will take you at least 5 years, or even more, way more actually, if you want to specialize in something. Because the study just on school isn't enough. 100% it isn't enough. If you want to become a doctor, 7 years of study in the school. If you want to be a good doctor, like a top level doctor, it will take at least 10 years. So if you see trading in this perspective, it's actually not too much time. Not too much time. Believe me, it's not too much time. You just need to focus and go full, with your soul to it. Believing that it's possible, and if someone else can do it, why you can't, bro? It's just, you're not trying to become Elon Musk, you're not trying to become Jeff Bezos, you just want a good life, a decent life. Actually, it's not even a good life, just decent life, right? Yeah, that's it. That's my message, my motivational message for you guys today. You know something, I I saw some days, I think past, or even even before, on Instagram, a message, a motivational message like this. It was like, it was saying, it was saying, quote, the motivational message of today is, if you want to give up, give up. For, f all this you know exactly what's saying there, and I just start to so we are going we are going very fast, right? Reach at 5,000, baby. Let's go. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's go. The pool still. I will close the pool in 10 minutes. We are 2 hours 13 minutes in live stream. 2 hours in 23 minutes. I will close the pool. If you guys think, should you guys can vote now, should I take a partial or not, right? The pool is on the live chat. You guys can just go and vote. In 2 hours 23 minutes, let me actually put a timer here. Let me put a timer. In 10 minutes, right? The timer already started run. You guys can vote, and let's go, baby. Alright, I told you guys, right? All this internal range liquidity needed to be grabbed. I told you. I told you guys. It's something that happens, day after day. So in 80 minutes, the pool will end, and you guys can decide if I should take partial or not. Let me turn on the trading view again, and you guys are now able to see, as I told you guys, right? That's exactly what I was expecting. All these internal range liquidity should be taken out. That's exactly what I was expecting. Yeah. A 1 hour time frame. That's basically this scenario that, yeah, I was expecting, and it become true, right? So, oh, the game already started, guys. Borussia Dortmund and Chelsea. The game started already. I need to watch again the game, bro. I can't. I can't. I will stay here just till the timer. Wait, someone just sent me a message. Oops, again. When the timer end, I will see the pool result, and let's see what you guys say, right? Should I close some partial or not? Whatever you guys say. Actually, I have another thing very interesting to, you know, something that I think most part of the traders don't have their in mind. To be fair, you know, um, when you when you start to trade, the trade itself, the strategy too, but the trade, the way you trade, the way you trade say a lot about yourself. Look how I'm trading. Of course, I need to be fair to that. When I opened the live stream, the trade was already running very far from my uh, entry point, and I was very comfortable in my position. But think about it. How many of you guys wouldn't be here right now thinking, oh, 5,000, I should close it, right? I should close it. I should close very, very, with a lot of anxiety. How to say that? Let me, let me check the Google Translator so I can actually learn a new word today. Anxious, right? Listen from the Google. The fuck? You didn't say anything.
Anxious.
Yeah,
Anxious.
exactly. That's
Anxious.
the word. Very anxious. Almost having a heart attack because you have some money running. And I'm not saying that this is bad, because if you saw me trading like 2 years ago, I'd be in same situation. I just learned how to control my emotion because it isn't even good for you and for your wealth, to be fair, to health, right? It's bad for you, 100% bad. Because when you're anxious, if someone try to say something important to you, you are like, you know, you are trying to push everything else back because your focus is here, and it's something that you can't control anymore. Everything that you could control at the time when you enter a trade was your take profit, your stop loss. That's everything. And sorry, your take profit, your stop loss, and when you will push your stop loss to break even. Those three things is the only thing you can control. Of course, if you want to take partial, you can control it. Become four things now, right? When you enter, you have four things you can control: stop loss, when take profit, when you will push stop loss to break even, and if you will take partial, right? That's the things you can control. But if you enter in one trade and start to see everything, oh no, this thing can happen, this can happen, like, think about it. If when price started to retrace, price made this move to the downside, right? This move here to the downside, let me zoom in, and then made this move to the upside. If I started to think, okay, oh no, I left a lot of money on the table, I will lose everything, price will go break even, let me close now, because if it go to break even, I will lose everything, I wouldn't be on this trade till now. It's a fact, right? I'm not saying that every time that you stay calm and stay and say, okay, I won't close it because it's not on my take profit, the price will respect. No, probably most part of the time it will take you out at break even, but it's a risky reward thing, right? You are a trader, you should have this in mind. It's a risk and reward. So if your plan is to get out of the trade on a certain level, you should hold the trade till this level. If you start to think too much about the trade, you are already on it, you'll have some problem, bro. 100%. Right? When you join the trade, when you enter the trade, you can control these four things. Stop loss, when you push stop loss to break even, take profit, and when you will take partial. I should take partial already. 100% I should take partial at some level. Probably when we swept this low, I didn't took them. And look where we are. Sorry. Oops. Why I can't control this thing anymore. Look where we are and look where my take profit is. Do you think I will do what? Take partial now? It don't make sense anymore. I should take them. Oops. The timer already, So I will see the pool result and see if you guys voted to me to take partial or not. But it don't make sense anymore to take partial. Don't make. I prefer at this level, of course. I'm on a different situation than you guys, so I can 100% understand if you guys think, okay, I should take partial now, even that it's near to my take profit. Because if the price go back to my entry point and took me out to break even, it's like, okay, one more day in my life, I won't feel anything, I can handle it. But it's something that I conquer, right? It's my I don't know how to say it. So it's something that yeah, it's something that I've earned it. That's the sentence I was looking for. It's not even a word anymore. It's a sentence, a complete sentence I was looking for. It's something that I've earned it with my, So yeah, you guys, the timer is closed already. You guys voted to me to don't take partial, right? Leandro J from Brazil speaking Portuguese. Everybody wants me to speak Portuguese, right? Pessoal, pô, tempo do português já foi. Gravei muito em português, vocês não deram valor. Hoje já foi isso aí. Hoje é só inglês mesmo, esquece. Infelizmente. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. Drop your like, subscribe, and please be aware tomorrow we will have another live stream. Amanhã tem mais live. Basicamente é isso que eu quis dizer, tá bom? É isso, pessoal. Fica bem e tchau.